Hey everyone, a couple new cars this week in a new location because, as you can see, I'm still making a mess building this big old F40 model kit. So for now, here we are. We have a couple new Otto releases. First up, we have the Mitsubishi EVO III. I've been light on Japanese cars for a while, and so this was a pre-order because I really needed it. I only have a few EVOs. I'd like to have a complete set of EVOs. So this early EVO III is a first for me. Now, I've complained recently about Otto cheaping out a little bit and not having open grills, but here they are, a return to open mesh grills, and you can even make out the intercooler behind the grill. So that's pretty neat. The color, the yellow with the white wheels, I happen to like. Interior is decent from what you can make out. Paint is good. There's really no obvious flaws on this, which is nice for an Otto car. This is car number 1068 of 3000. Again, they've been doing higher production runs, which is a bit of a bummer. I pre-ordered it with a few other cars with some friends, so it cost me about $70 landed, which at that price I'm not mad at. You know, all this stuff winds up being about $129, $159 fairly quick on eBay. Next up, not the most exciting BMW derivative of the E36, but this is a 318 Ti or 318 Compact, depending on what market you were to purchase this in. Fairly nice mesh-like wheels, BBS wheels. I think these are known as Style 42s in BMW speak. This is an E36 platform. We only got the 318 Ti. As a 323 Ti, this would have been a 6-cylinder, which would have been a lot more interesting than what we had. We had 138, about 140 horsepower, 4-cylinder, not exactly a mover. Interior, not much to see. Oddly enough, they gave it an automatic for this model. Usually the companies choose a 5-speed manual, but it is what it is. Now this one, sadly, this does have closed grills. No mesh there. Underneath, car number 1674, again out of 3000. This was in the same order. Again, I paid about $70, which I really, again, can't complain. No real paint defects. Windows are fine. These are kind of neat cars. That's E36 front suspension, E30 rear trailing arm suspension, just like my BMW, my M Roadster's like that. So it's a bit of a mutt in that way. People do M3 swaps, so S52s, S54s. It's a pretty light car, comfortably under 3,000 pounds, so has a lot of capabilities in it. Packaging, again, Otto has the plainest, least interesting box ever. Same box for both, just a white box, no images. So that's about it. Exciting news. I might document this next week if I don't get enough done with this F40 model kit, but I got a nice promotion at work. I'm still on the Cadillac team, so I rewarded myself by ordering a kind of interesting car that's in demand that if you buy one in stock at a dealership, there's a $20,000, $30,000, $35,000 market adjustment. So I might document next week what I ordered. It does have a manual transmission. There's a hint. And it's a pretty neat car in an interesting color. So I think I might document that order and show you guys what I ordered. So maybe some of you could be excited, just like I'm excited to get it because it's going to take a while. So that's it for this week. Everyone, please like and subscribe, and have a good one.